Hey YouTube, hey here's today's project. Today I'm going to be working on the John Deere the 410 backhoe. I guess in a nutshell, a while ago, maybe a year or so, I replaced the front bucket because my front bucket was rotted. I mean, horrible in the bottom. I mean, I think beyond repair. Well, at least reasonable repair. But anyways, I was able to get this other bucket here, a used one. I think I paid like $400 for it, which I thought was a pretty good price. But as you can see, this side I had the cleat on there for the chain hookup, but this side we did not. Broke off at one point in its life, and someone welded in this hook here. So what I did before I scrapped the old bucket, I was able to cut off and remove one of the cleats off the old bucket, and here it is right here. So I like the way it looks from the factory look. This side here looks kind of crappy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grind off the welds, get rid of this hook, get rid of the welds, and we're going to weld this piece here. We're going to clean it up a little bit, and we're going to weld this onto the bucket. So let's get the grinder out and start grinding. Alright, that wasn't that bad, but again, that was also the easy side. Now we're going to try to tackle this. So far the grinder's still holding out, so... it's off, so... Scrap. So now that's off. We're getting there. So clean up this and get rid of all that crap. So, but what I did, I ended up putting on a thinner blade, and I'm able to cut underneath that. You can see it. I think pretty good. A little side view. I know there isn't any weld on the bottom of this, just around the edge of it. I'm sorry, the edge of it. So, all right, what I was able to do, I took that grinding wheel. Actually, I wore out the. Show you real quick there. The thin wheel is now, 2-inch diameter instead of 4.5, but that's alright. It did its job. And then I ended up putting on the larger, it's probably 1/4-inch thick wheel on, and I was able to grind down around this, the base of it, and I can actually see right now where that thing is gonna, where the weld ends, So I think I can just take a couple whacks and take care of this. So anyways, I know it's gonna move because there's nothing holding it on. Alright, there we go. Prepped in pretty nice, actually. So what I need to do now is, sorry about that, real quick here, just kind of, grind a chamfer onto here, because if I look at it, I'm a little bit low. Sorry about the camera shaking there. I'm a little bit low. Not really on the back side. A little low on this side, the front. And I'm thinking it's because that's the width of the saw blade when I cut it off. So I think I may just put a little, maybe a nut under there or a spacer, and then chamfer the heck out of that. All right. Well, when you're a one-man show and you need an extra set of hands, this is gonna have to work. A little bit of electrical tape. It's actually positioned exactly the same location as the other side. The only issue I had was this side here was awful low. I think it's because of the grinder taking it off the other bucket. So I'm going to put a nut in there just for a spacer, and I can weld I can put a lot of weld in there with that welder, I believe. So I'm going to get it tacked in real quick and then check it for straightness, make sure it hasn't moved, and keep going around. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use some 6011, I believe it is. I have some, 6011, where are we? Yeah, 6011, 1/8 inch. I know 6011 will have a better bite as compared to that 7018 I have. Plus, I don't have a whole lot of 7018, so I might go over it 6011 a few times, then finish it off with 7018 on top, and I hope it comes out okay. Alright guys, it's all done. It's getting dark. I wouldn't say it's getting late. It's I don't know, 4 o'clock give or take. But it's done. And this is my finished weld. And believe it or not, it looks better in person than it does on this video, so be easy on me on the comments. It's only my second time with that stick welder. But we're done. I'm gonna put away my extension cord, wrap up the wires, clean up the mess, and I think I'm going to call it a day. So thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you next time.